internships are 10-week internships where you can learn about the company, learn about the culture, and kind of what goes into the daily activities of an employee.
You get to do all the normal tasks, you get real assignments, real projects, really get in the weeds with a bunch of the other employees.
Most interns typically would do one big project that kind of encompasses like what their team works on, as if you were working full-time, and you typically get to take a lot of ownership in that.
I don't think there's a lot of opportunities where you get to work on something that you can actually see all the way through, and I think that's pretty unique to ULA.
Best moments that I've had, it's been the other interns. This experience wouldn't be the same without them, so I'm really, really glad that I got to meet them.
The wealth of knowledge at ULA is so vast, super huge advantage of working at ULA.
It's such a phenomenal learning environment. Everybody here who works here is super knowledgeable in what they do.
The work that we're doing isn't just busy work, it's work that actually makes a difference in the company, and that's something that I've been able to see.
The first project I had was a study on sizing different thrusters for the reuse module. I'm taking a open loop trajectory and targeting it with closed loop trajectory and messing around with different guidance parameters, so that's pretty cool as well.
It is incredible to be able to say that you work on a rocket and know that something you did contributed to a rocket being able to launch and go into space.
We stand on the shoulders of giants when we build rockets, and that's also true of code. Sometimes that code requires updates and revisions, and I spend a lot of my time on the development side looking at that piece of code, learning about it, and being able to take that and update it.
It's big enough that you can see the difference that it makes in the world, but then also it's small enough that you get to make connections with people who share that same core passion of space, launching rockets.
It's a very thought out program, and there's a lot of people that are working on it to make sure that being here at ULA is going to give us experience, and it's going to have us come out the other side of the internship knowing more about what we want to do with our careers.